हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे ड्रम्स के कलर मिक्सिंग।
Red. The color is red. Blue. The color is blue.
Red and blue.
Purple.
Red and blue make purple.
Yellow. The color is yellow.
Blue and yellow.
Green.
Blue and yellow make green. Yellow and red.
Orange.
Yellow and red make orange. Red, blue, and yellow.
Black.
Red, blue, and yellow make black.
Red. Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange. Black. The color is red. White. The color is white.
Red and white.
Pink.
Red and white make pink.
Black. The color is black.
White and black.
Gray.
White and black make gray.